Starting to trade crypto as a complete beginner can be both exciting and daunting. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Educate yourself, learn the basics of blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and how trading works. Understand terms like wallets, exchanges, market orders, limit orders, etc. 2. Choose a reputable exchange. Select a cryptocurrency exchange that is reputable, secure, and user-friendly. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitfinex. 3. Create an account. Sign up for an account on your chosen exchange. Provide the necessary identification documents for verification, as many exchanges have Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures. 4. Secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication (2FA) to add an extra layer of security to your account. This typically involves linking your account to your mobile device. 5. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your exchange account using a bank transfer, credit/debit card, or other accepted payment methods. 6. Choose your cryptocurrencies. Decide which cryptocurrencies you want to trade. It's advisable to start with well-known ones like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or Litecoin, LTC. 7. Develop a trading strategy. Determine your investment goals, risk tolerance, and trading strategy. Decide whether you want to day trade, swing trade, or invest long-term. 8. Start trading. Place your first trade. You can buy cryptocurrencies using market orders, buy at the current market price, or limit orders, set a specific price at which you want to buy. 9. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your portfolio regularly. Watch for market trends, news, and developments that may affect the prices of the cryptocurrencies you're trading. 10. Practice risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and diversify your portfolio to spread risk. 11. Continue learning. Crypto markets can be volatile and complex, so continue learning and staying updated with the latest trends and developments in the space. 12. Stay patient and disciplined. Trading can be unpredictable, so be patient and disciplined with your investments. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Remember that trading crypto involves risks, and it's essential to do thorough research and proceed with caution, especially as a beginner.
Enjoyed learning about the essential steps for trading cryptocurrency? Don't miss out on future updates. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss valuable trading tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support motivates us to continue providing informative content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading!